Do you want to speak English quickly? Then you have to learn some English every day. Only then you can speak English. But what you learn, you have to practice well. Only then you can remember them. If possible, try to say a few sentences in English while talking to friends. This is how you start practicing English and you will feel very confident. Anyway, today I will share 50 selected sentences, which will be useful everywhere. If you know these, you will be able to speak English very quickly. The house is very messy. The house is very messy. My grandfather passed away last year. My grandfather passed away last year. The phone is broken. The phone is broken. I have worked there for 10 years. I have worked there for 10 years. That's the first I have heard of it. That's the first I have heard of it. It's going to snow today. It's going to snow today. I will check your temperature. I will check your temperature. Is the place safe? Is the place safe? Did she tell you her name? Did she tell you her name? Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. It happened a few minutes ago. It happened a few minutes ago. Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay? The trains come every 10 minutes. The trains come every 10 minutes. My house is near the station. My house is near the station. I am leaving tomorrow. I am leaving tomorrow. He is going on vacation from tomorrow. He is going on vacation from tomorrow. I will teach you sentences. I will teach you sentences. It's 10:30. It's 10:30. I would like to go to the store. I would like to go to the store. I want to contact with them. I want to contact with them. What kind of fish is this? What kind of fish is this? I need to change clothes. I need to change clothes. Excuse me, is this your seat? Excuse me, is this your seat? I give up. I give up. I came with my family. I came with my family. Is anyone else coming? Is anyone else coming? How many people come to the party? How many people come to the party? I am looking for a tea shop. I am looking for a tea shop. How do you say it in English? How do you say it in English? I will tell him you called. I will tell him you called. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Don't do that. Don't do that. I would like to make a call. I would like to make a call. Do you like to watch TV? Do you like to watch TV? I want to give you a flower. I want to give you a flower. Can you call back later? Can you call back later? I need to go to the office. I need to go to the office. What time did it happen? What time did it happen? I got in an accident. I got in an accident. Are you allergic to anything? Are you allergic to anything? Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private? Where is it? Where is it? Can I eat this? Can I eat this? When does the plane arrive? When does the plane arrive? What is the total price? What is the total price? Or how much altogether? How much altogether? What is the date today? What is the date today? How do you spell it? How do you spell it? When will you go to the store? When will you go to the store? Here is your salad. Here is your salad. What do people usually do in summer here? What do people usually do in summer here? Have they met him? Have they met him? Of course he is an excellent doctor. Of course he is an excellent doctor. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.